Hello everyone, my name is Aiden or Frank Superdude, and welcome to another science video. Just before we start, make sure to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and please comment down below. And without any further ado, sit back, relax, grab some popcorn, and let's go. Teacher, give me an A+. That right there was a perfect example of today's topic. No, not getting kicked in the head by a horse. Cameraman, you all right there? All right, so our cameraman died, and now we're at the park here in the beautiful open weather. I am using my phone to record my audio, so hopefully it works. Anyway, I'm getting attacked by bees. Today we're talking about tuberculosis. TB, or tuberculosis, is a disease that most commonly affects your lungs. You can catch it in other places, but the most common occurrence is in your lungs. If TB isn't treated right or at all, then there is a very high chance of death, and I don't think we want that. So treatment is fairly nice. I'm a grown man. I'm a big adult. Why? As you can see, the reason why I picked TB as the disease that I'm covering is, well, because of Red Dead Redemption. So expect to see about 14,605 references to Red Dead. Whoa, that's a reference inside of a reference. That's like 16 reference walls. And there's another reference. TB can affect your lungs, kidneys, brain, and even spine. It rapidly destroys the lung tissue around the granuloma, which I hope I said that right, but they're this little bumps that are inside of your lungs, and while having them messed with and destroyed, usually don't end up in a good circumstance. This causes major damage to the tissue, which gets worn and destroyed. Lung tissue is very thin and almost sponge-like because it's filled with the air that's inside the alveoli, which is where your blood gets oxygen and does the whole gassy thing. Just like I said, tuberculosis can affect other parts of your body, your brain, your spine, and your kidneys. There are other areas, but these are the most common ones. If TB occurs in places that aren't your lungs, then the symptoms change varying on where it is. For example, tuberculosis of the spine may cause major back pain, and tuberculosis of the kidneys may cause blood to be in your urine. Now that doesn't sound all that fun. Yeah, some signs of TB are
getting weak, losing weight, fever, night sweats, coughing, chest pain, and coughing up blood. Matters not included. All purchases are final. Symptoms depend on what area the TB is infected.
So who does it mostly affect? Well, in my research, I found that 89% of cases in America were caused by ethnic and racial minority groups. That, I'm canceled now. For non-US, the percentage is 71.5% in 2021. Immune suppressant diseases or disorders can majorly affect the body's capability of fighting it or even catching it in the first place. Well, how can you go about getting diagnosed with tuberculosis? There is a test where your doctor injects you with 0.1 milliliters of tuberculin. After about 48 to 72 hours, they'll measure a small bump on your arm and then give you your reading. This is called Mantrix tuberculosis. Oh no, oh my God, no. Okay, sorry if the camera positioning is different. The camera stopped recording about 10 minutes ago, and I just wrapped up about a minute ago. This is called the Mantrix Tuberculin Skin Testing Facilitator. There we go. That's a hard one to pronounce, but I got it finally. After the test, doctors will then tell you if
you got tuberculosis
or not. Well, if the test comes back positive, how can I treat it? There are a lot of antibacterial medication and drugs that you can take to cure it. These take about 4 to 12 months to cure. I suggest you get cured soon or else this may happen to you. I have absolutely no clue how to say these names, so I hope I get it right. Isoniazid, along with rifampin, pyrazinamide, and ethambutol are all treatments for curing tuberculosis.
Upset stomach, heartburn, nausea, menstrual changes, or headaches may occur when taking rifampin. Nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, or mild muscle joint pain may occur when taking isoniazid.
The same effects happen when taking ethambutol, although you may get more serious side effects like getting colorblind or losing field of vision. Bacilcalmentagulin? I think that's how you say it. I don't know. I'm gonna stick to BCG, is a vaccine that you can take to prep for tuberculosis. Although it may cause a false positive on the TB skin test, it doesn't stop you from getting it, and it isn't recommended to take in the USA. So to recap, the medicine is the quickest way to get rid of tuberculosis, but its offset is it could also make the tuberculosis stronger if you make a slip up where you forget to take some of the pills or medications or drugs, whatever you take. If you forget to take them one time, it may cause the TB to come back stronger, and then that TB will grow a resistance to what you're taking. But once again, it doesn't stop you from contracting it. It may cause false positives on the TB skin test, and it is not recommended to take in the United States of America. Thank you all for watching. Teacher, give me an A+. And please do, if you enjoy these science videos, leave a comment, leave a like, and please do hit the subscribe button. As always, dudes, this has been Frankie. Stay super.